How to use onion juice for hair growth. Growing your hair is a task, and an unbearably long task. With the amount of time your hair takes to grow, and the ornaments you cannot avoid, it's hard. Resist the impulse to surrender. I'm not going to lie, cultivating your hair requires a lot of patience, but it does not have to be so painfully slow either. Using growth stimulating ingredients like onions can help increase the speed at which your hair grows and, at the same time, increase the volume. Next, I have compiled a list of the 12 ways to use onions to increase hair growth. But first, let's see how the onion really helps your hair. Benefits of onion juice for hair growth. The use of onion juice is a safe method to increase hair growth and promote hair growth. The onion juice for hair growth has received excellent reviews online from users, with remarkable results before and after. Here are some possible reasons behind what makes this ingredient so effective. Onion juice helps improve hair growth by increasing the level of an antioxidant catalase enzyme. This enzyme helps break down hydrogen peroxide, optimizing the hair growth cycle. It helps to nourish your hair follicles with its rich sulfur content. Sulfur is essential for the regeneration of hair follicles. The rich sulfur content also helps minimize thinning and hair breakage. Antioxidants help reverse premature graying and delay graying. The abundant antibacterial properties of the onion help to keep your scalp healthy and free of infection, promoting hair growth without hindrance. These same properties also help control dandruff. The onion juice stimulates the scalp and improves blood circulation, which results in well-nourished follicles.